Hey everyone, I have this shockproof case for the Motorola Razr. I think this one is here is Motorola Razr, right? 2025. And so what it comes with here, it's pretty cool. You know, these guys make good cases. So I have one of these cases on my phone that you can't see them I'm filming with. But then it comes with the front cover case here, and then it kind of does that flip, you know, so you have that case. It's got a place for the these little peel-off pieces. Let's see. Nice and clear so you can see through it, but it does have the hole where the camera goes, so that'll make it super clear. And so then you have that there, so that's that section of it, and then you have the back section here. So it kind of flips down, you know. It's got a good little hinge with a little flexible thing on it. Take out the little foam, and then in the back it's got a little pocket store, whatever, in there, a couple of bucks or something, and that is how it all kind of goes together. So pretty cool, nice little one there. It's got places for all your cables and speaker little holes, the same holes that the phone has, it's got as well. So you're cool, so you have this whole thing here and it kind of folds it out and folds it back up. So if you got this phone, pick up a nice case. These cases are great, nice, super sturdy. You can drop them on the ground and your phone will be secure. Totally cool, thumbs up.